y'all, welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I am super excited. First of all, it's Thursday, which means tomorrow's Friday, which means it's the weekend, so yay. Second, you can see from the description below, I have got the March 2019 LD Luxury Divas accessories box. You guys, this subscription seems to have like taken over YouTube right now, and it is amazing. What I have seen is just, it blows my mind. This subscription is only $25 a month, you guys, with free shipping. That is amazing. You can purchase, and I will make sure to put a link down below for you guys. You can purchase just a one-time box for $30, or you can sign up for the monthly subscription. It is $25. But when you do that, you do 3 months. So you're still billed just monthly, but it is for 3 months. So I still think it's a fabulous deal because this box includes clothing, beauty products, jewelry. I mean, just such a wide variety of all different kinds of accessories. So I can't wait to dive in and see what is in my box. I actually used a code from She Crafty, Miss Tracy. So I will actually put that down below to save you guys a little bit if you would like to sign up. I think I got this first box for like $21. So you can't beat it. And like I said, it's free shipping. So I just, like I said, cannot wait. The shipping, by the way, also was super fast. Like, I ordered this box and I don't think it was 4 days and it was here. So I got it yesterday, but I've been waiting, but we're gonna dive in here. It did come in an outer like white envelope type mailer, but I haven't peeked. I have resisted, but the temptation is over. We're gonna open it. So, oh, I don't need my box cutter because it's not taped. All right, so when I first open it, this is what I see. So we've got, looks like we got some cards and stuff here on top. So let's take a peek at these. And this one says, "We are all created equal, then we accessorize." So there is that. It does have, they do have, apparently it looks like they have a Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, so you can follow them on social media. And then this is a subscriber exclusive, because they do also have, aside from the subscription, they have like a shop. You can actually order items. So it looks like they have sent a 20% off your entire order. Oh, that's awesome. But like right here, it says scarves, belts, socks, dresses, resort wear, hats, leggings, sunglasses, shoes, clothing. So they have just such a variety. I mean, they literally cover like all of the accessories and then some, because I've seen clothing. So here it looks like, okay, so this is a card with a business card paper clipped, an actual handwritten card. This is awesome. Welcome to the club. Enjoy your March box and let me know how I'm doing. Much love, Nicki. So she curated my box. Yeah, awesome. A handwritten note, you guys. Okay. And then we have one more thing. The back says March into style. Featured items of the month. Go to our website at www.luxurydivas.com. Okay, so it looks like they have featured items. So I guess this is something they must do every month. So that's cool. All right. Now, enough babbling. Let's get to the box. So here it is. So there's a information sheet here. It looks like that's going to tell us about our product. Y'all, this thing is full. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so excited. Like, I want to sing that song. March 2019 LD box, March into Style. Exclusively curated. That's my name. It's his first of 3 months. The total retail value of this box, they are saying, is $126. And like I said, I only paid $21.25 with that coupon code. So yeah, it is worth it for sure. I can already tell you that. So let's just start. First thing on top I see is from Beauty Creations. It is their Emerald palette. I've seen this in other subscriptions and it actually looks really pretty. I actually don't have any palettes from Beauty Creations. Excuse me. So I'm excited to give them a try. Oh, okay, so it's got a mirror. Let me use this to cover the mirror. Y'all, these shades are pretty. These are like, oh, even though this is like March and it's March into Style. I was going to say spring. These are like gorgeous fall shades. Are they not gorgeous? And of course I see some shimmers, which makes me very happy. These are beautiful shades. Like, they are really, really pretty. All right, so I'm going to swatch one of the shimmer shades and I'm going to swatch this. Well, let me cover this back up. Again, I don't want to blind you guys. So I'm going to swatch this green right here. It's a shimmer. And then I will swatch this brown over here. It's a matte. Just so you guys know which ones I am doing. Oh, now that feels nice. I'm not doing the green one. That feels really nice. Oh, and so does the matte shade. That feels super soft. All right. I think those are so pretty. And I really didn't put much on here on my finger. They swatched really well. So, yay. I have a makeup wipe somewhere. Get this off my fingers so I don't get eyeshadow on anything else in the box. So, yay. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see. Emerald 15 color eyeshadow palette. A basic mix of shimmer and matte shadows, this simple palette proves itself an ideal travel companion. And they are saying this is a $17 value. So let's move along. What do I see here? Oh, this is pretty. This is so pretty and like yells spring. And this is by Luxury Divas. They're scarves. Let's see. 2-pack of silk scarves. Prepare for spring with a colorful silk scarf. Roll diagonally, link both together at their centers and tie at ends, creating a layered infinity scarf. And then it says you could also wear it in your hair as a headband, tied in a bow around your ponytail. That would be really cute. Around your neck for a pop of color, or tied around the handle of your purse. Y'all, these are so pretty. Let's see. So we have this one that has like blue and green flowers. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And this is actually, it looks like the exact same scarf as far as the print and pattern, just with like gray, pink, purple Gorgeous. Y'all, these are beautiful, and they're very lightweight, but feel so soft. I love these. I'm definitely thinking that the whole ponytail idea would be really cute. So, and for the two of those is $19. Oh, okay. And this is also, it looks like from Luxury Divas. It feels very soft. This is like some socks. Marbled knit 2-pack no-show shocks. No-show socks. So it looks like I got like a burgundy-ish and a gray or black and white. Small but mighty no-show socks keep feet smelling fresh with their sweat absorbing qualities, and for these two is $12. I honestly, I'll be honest, I don't wear socks that often. You guys know, if you've been around, I am definitely a flip-flop girl, even if it's 10 degrees outside. However, inside my house, sometimes if my feet do get cold, I will go for socks. And this is actually the kind I like, that are thinner, so they're not gonna feel too constricting, because I don't like my feet to feel constricted, and they just look and feel cute. I don't know, but I'm very happy to get these. So yay for some cute little no-show socks. And what are you? We have something here in a little sachet. Wrapped up. Oh, it looks, okay, this is some kind of, oh, it's a necklace. And that's a long necklace, which I love, and it is silver, which I love. This is adorable. It is like a feather. That is so cute. Like, super cute. And again, I love the fact that it's like a longer necklace. Actually didn't have one on, so that worked out. So yeah, I like how this sits. Sorry, I have a black shirt on, so you see every bit of lint that is on me. So let's see. Silver feather necklace. A feather is said to be a message from the spirit world, and this elegant silver feather speaks volumes about your style and taste. This is a $16 value. I think this is so cute. I really like this necklace. I think it's gorgeous. And then we have something here in a cute, like, velour, velvety feeling Luxury Divas bag. It's a good size, like, drawstring bag. Oh, it's a belt. It's like a navy blue belt. Navy blue braided elastic belt. Excuse me. The belt everyone loves. Effortless style can be found in this belt that comfortably moves with you and conforms to your waist. You won't even know it's on. This they are saying is $15. Oh, and it is. It's like stretchy. This would be like a super cute belt, like if you have like a sundress or something and you want to put kind of like high up at your waist, like an empire line or something. This would be super cute for that. That is really pretty. I like that. And of course, who wouldn't love having a little extra stretch? So yay for a belt. Y'all, this bag or box is just amazing. It looks like we still have 2 more items. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I had seen other people get this item. I don't know that I've seen this color, but I am super excited about this. Like, this is so cute. It is a tank top. It is the rose pink cage top cami, Accessorize with your cami and make getting ready so much easier. This cami features an intricate Cajun crisscross detail on the neckline. This is $20. Y'all, so the back is like a regular tank top, but the front right here where they're talking about the neckline is gorgeous. And this color, y'all, is just beautiful. Like, I mean, the tank top itself is gorgeous, but then, you know, this particular color, oh, I just am like, yes, ma'am. So pretty. That is, and it's so soft. Like, it does, oh, it's so soft. I love that. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Okay. And there is still one more thing in here. And this is another clothing item. This is a gray cardigan. Reaching for again and again. Great for wear at home, the office, or even as an added layer when going out. $27. Again, this is super soft. It feels so lightweight. Like, this is like, and it says gray, but it's almost like a bluish gray. This is so pretty. I really, really like this. And this is something to me that's perfect for springtime, because you could have like a short sleeve shirt on, because, you know, earlier in the day it may be a little bit warmer, but sometimes in the evenings, you know, it cools off. So this being lightweight, but yet, you know, having the long sleeve, this will be perfect to throw on in the evening. Yo, this is so pretty. Like, I am loving this box. Are you kidding me right now? So, to recap, because that was a lot, especially for $25. Now, yes, this was my first box. Again, I only paid $21.25, but still $25. That's a lot. We got the cardigan, which is gorgeous, the beautiful, like, rosy colored tank top, the belt, which is super cute, the 2-pack of the scarves, they're adorable, and I'm really liking, like I said, that ponytail idea. The 2-pack of the no-show socks, this adorable feather necklace, and the eyeshadow palette. Y'all, this box has it all. So I am super impressed with the LD Luxury Divas accessory box. Very happy with it, and I definitely recommend it. If you are looking for a lifestyle, fashion, beauty, jewelry type of box, this is it by far. So let me know in the comments what you guys thought. Again, my mind is just blown at what they put in here for the price. It is amazing. So I'm super happy with it. I'm just like, yes. Jewelry, a palette, clothes. Yes, yes, all day long, yes. So I hope you all have a fabulous day. If you are new, please, again, do consider hitting that subscribe button. We're getting so close to 2,000. Once we hit it, I'm going to do a great giveaway, so you want to be a part of that, especially if you love unboxings and review videos, because that's what we do here. I hope you have a fabulous day. Again, also give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and leave the comment down below. I love hearing from you. Have a great day. I know I keep saying it, but I do hope you all have a fabulous day. And I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.